Welcome friends. In earlier videos, how to evaluate double integration if the limits are constants, type 1 were discussed. Like that, in previous video we discussed how to evaluate double integrals whenever it is a function from x equal to a to x equal to b and y is a function of f of x. We discussed this type. This is my type 2. In type 3, we'll discuss how to evaluate the functions of this type. Okay, type 3. Integration from a to b and integration from here, x is a function of y and here x is a f1 of y and f2 of y I will choose, and here f of xy as it is dx dy. In such cases, the function x is a function of y, y is a function internal limits are for this one. Therefore, first you are integrating with respect to x, then with respect to y. Therefore, the outside constant limits are nothing but y equal to a to y equal to b indirectly. Therefore, to evaluate this, I will write this one as y equal to a to y equal to b, and then inside the square bracket I will write which is to be integrated first and with respect to what. Integration from x equal to f1 of y and f2 of y into f of xy dx, because x is a function of y. Therefore, first you are integrating with respect to x, then with respect to y. To analyze it more, I will choose one example for this. Okay, in detail we will discuss one example how to evaluate. Integrate from 0 to 1 and integration from y to 2 minus y into x y square dx dy. It is given. Now it is indirectly given, it is a y to 2 minus y. Therefore, it is a function of y. It is also a function of y. Therefore, indirectly they have given it as a x is a function of y. Therefore, I can write the outside limit as y equal to 0 to y equal to 1, and which is to be integrated first, that I will write inside. And it is not given, but you have to understand that it is x equal to y to x equal to 2 minus y into x y square, and you are to integrate first with respect to x. That's why I will take it a dx inside the bracket and dy I will keep outside. Now you have to integrate first with respect to x by keeping y constant. Therefore, in my next step, integration of x y square, this outside limit integration I will keep as it is 0 to 1, that is nothing but y equal to 0 to 1, and integration of x y square with respect to x. Therefore, y square is constant, x integration is x square divided by 2 between the limits y to 2 minus y, x equal to y to 2 minus y into dy. This dy will keep as it is. This integration upper limit minus lower limit I have to do, and here constant is there, that constant I will write outside 1 by 2 integration from y equal to 0 to y equal to 1, and y square as it is not integrated, x square is remaining, correct? X square, for that x square you have to put the limits x equal to y and x equal to 2 minus y dy. Now substitute upper limit minus lower limit, one step extra I have written to clarify your doubt. 1 by 2 as it is, y equal to 0 to 1 also as it is, y square as it is, upper limit minus lower limit, x is replaced by 2 minus y, 2 minus y the whole square minus lower limit x is replaced by y, therefore it is y square into dy. This is not integrable directly because multiple terms are there, y square is going to multiply. Let me simplify this one first, then I will integrate with respect to y. That is 1 by 2 integration from y equal to 0 to 1 as it is, y square outside, expand this a minus b the whole square, 2 square plus 2 square plus y square minus 2 into y, a square plus b square minus 2ab minus y square into dy. Therefore this y square and this y square cancels. The final will remaining with 1 by 2 integration from y equal to 0 to 1 y square into bracket 2 square 4 y square cancelled minus 4y has remained into dy. Still product is there. I will simplify this bracket and then I will integrate. 1 by 2 integration from y equal to 0 to 1 4 times y square minus 4 times y cube. Even 4 also you could have taken common, then integrate, okay, into dy. Even I will take 4 common and then integrate. 4 divided by 2 integration from y equal to, okay, I will take 4 common and it will become 4 by 2 integration from y equal to 0 to 1. You will remain with y square minus y cube into dy. Here 2 ones are 2 2s are cancels, 2 into bracket y square integration with respect to y is y cube minus y cube integration is y raised to 4 divided by 4 between the limits 0 to 1. Correct? Sorry, integration of y square is y cube divided by 3. I have forgotten to write here. It is y cube divided by 3. Now simplify this. 2 into upper limit 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 minus lower limit 0 by 3 0 by 4. Need not to simplify this, or you can write this. 2 into LCM is 12 and it is 4 minus 3. Therefore 2 ones are 2, 6. Therefore my final answer will come as 1 divided by 6. This is how to evaluate of type 3. What is my type 3? If it is a x is a function of y and then you are integrating first with respect to x, then with respect to y. This understanding is very important in this cases. Okay. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, do like the video and comment and also share this video. Thank you friends.